our Prime Minister Modi ji. I'm thankful for him for being the Prime Minister right from 2014, since he has brought a number of developments in our India. We are seeing the different projects. The first project he started in 2014 was Prime Minister's Indradhanusha program, which he first thought of showing that there should be differences in the parent and the child, because there were schemes but where the lactating mothers right from pregnancy and the child, they both had the good immunization system was being developed by this scheme, and many of the parents and the children are benefited from this program. We can see that the child mortality rates also have gone down. With a number of children before that who are not having the correct diet intake, the mothers also not given. So this is a wonderful scheme developed by Modi ji for the lactating mothers and the children. So the scheme is Indradhanusha scheme only. The next scheme he started for women is Stand Up India. In Stand Up India also, where we see there are a number of downtrodden women belonging to the SC and ST caste, where most of them don't go for the education. Here he has developed small schemes for them where they can themselves become entrepreneurs by giving some amount to them through loan system, and this is a benefited program for this backward trodden women also. There are a number of other programs also where he has taken up for generation of empowerment in the youths, where they get a number of sufficient loans are given, more than 1 lakh to 10 lakhs and above, where under this scheme also they can tie up with different products, or even the agri built products they can take up, and they can do their own business. In this way, a number of women actually are benefited through Modi, through different schemes what he has done. Even we see the small programs like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, where insecurity the women and the children especially who couldn't go to school and would just take up care of the children. Under this scheme, all the children, all the girls especially, are in school today and they are educated. Agar padega India, to badega India. That is the nara. So we go with this. Thank you all.